Windows XP SP3 data that get it from volatile examples sample. In order to do it, you download that, type in Google volatility sample image download, and click on the first result in Google, and you can see here we have several different options that infected operating system memories, which you can see. We will download R2D2 infected virus, but above that we have Windows 7 64-bit that not infected, and we have several memory images that infected by Crydex virus, Shylock virus, and other which we have Android memory images to download, as you can see here, and macOS images. So I will download the 0zap FTS image. Click on save, OK, and here you can see it, are the files downloading, but I will not download now because I've downloaded already. And open the downloaded file and click open in RAR archive. The password is infected. Click on extract, and I will extract to music folder. Here you can see the extraction completed successfully. Close the browser. And open the terminal and Xenos. So in order to use type in terminal, and after typing this, specify the direction of memory file, but you have to subtraction and F, which this means that you will be using volatility. After the specifying the path of images, type image info, and here is volatility is analyzing. As you can see here, we have several information about the image, which is the image is Windows XP Server Spec 2 and 86-bit, which is 32-bit processor system, and you can see image date is 2/11 and the October 10. So we have several options, information about image, which we will specify the profile when analyzing operating system image. Delete the image info command, and type profile equals, and copy the first profile, the secure source profile that get it from image info command, paste it, and click ps list. Type ps list, which is this command will give you the running processes list, IDs, and how many threads is running and when the process is started. So as you can see here, we have numbers of processes, which is VM services, leg, explorer.exe, and cmd.exe. Then delete the ps list and type ps3. As you can see here, we have the processes that listed in the row that doubts, which is, you can see here, if the system image, at the top of that, all of the explorer and all of the CFCOs, LAG, and CSRS, which is this means that these processes is system processes, and top of under that you can see explorer.exe, which is top of that VMware tray and cmd.exe. and delete the PS3 and PSX with type instead of that. As you can see, we can see the process ID as well, that this shows us that which is this process session aware, that you can see here session CSSRs PCI options is showing that, and const can delete the last command from the and type const can, which is this shows us the active connections and which connections which connection is associated with profile, which you can see our profile ID, process ID is 1956. So 1956 profile ID is, as you can see here, explorer.exe is using process ID 1956, which is the remote address is, and the port is here as information is showing us. And the socket is kind of same command, but the associated and socket is shown here, which is which address is using the socket, and we have here TCP UDP protocols, and the process IDs which process is using these sockets, and other informations about sockets. And we have this one command again. This is the CMD line command, which shows the CMD commands history, that which command is used and activated, executed by CMD, which you can see here that CSR is that exe is which process ID 608 is associated this command, and there is, you can see here we have several commands used by Adobe WebShield, CMD.exe and elegit.exe, which this means that someone or any application is used CMD to activate and execute malicious